We keep improving our work. Steel grease traps need in-depth work and checks. Before refurbishing the old steel grease trap, we need to check the old metal if it needs to use rust prevention, or just welding. From refurbishing many steel grease traps, we became experts in the welding process. Start with securing our workplace and wearing our proper safety gear. Our expert team uses the right position when striking the arc and uses also the correct rod position and movement. Then we finish by forming the bead and keeping the metal rod in the right shape.